Good morning, Seguin High. This is Keegan Riojas.
And Catherine Noita with the MATcast for September 14th, 2012.
Could you be a teenage idol? Could you be a movie star? When I turn on my TV, will you smile and wave at me, telling Oprah who you are? So you want to be a rock star with blue-eyed bunnies in your bed? Well, remember when you're rich that you sold yourself for this. You'll be famous cause you're dead. So don't go high.
Homecoming is such a big part of your high school years, and we at Seguin High School take this week very seriously. Here are a few people that not only participate in Spirit Days, but love them as well.
My favorite part is the Spirit Days, just because I like getting dressed up just to show the football team support. I think it's fun just to do something different at school.
My favorite part about Spirit Week is being able to see everyone else also participate and see how much they care about, spirit for the school and the team.
I dress up for Spirit Days because who wouldn't take advantage of a day where you can dress super crazy and people don't question you for it?
I dress up for Spirit Week because I'm a senior and I feel like I'm going to regret not dressing up for Spirit Week.
I'm a fairy princess, I guess you could say, because of the wings.
I'm Catwoman because I just saw the new Batman movie and I thought it was super awesome.
I dressed up as Prince Charming today. It's the crown.
Go out tonight and show your Matador spirit by representing your team and fellow Matadors. This has been Jesse Valdez. Now back to Keegan.
SHS College Fair. The College Fair will be on September 28th from 9 to 11 in the varsity cafeteria for juniors and seniors. Spanish Club is back. If anyone is interested in joining, see Miss Signs room 209 or Miss Cortez in the Freshman Center.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Work. The bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is work.
Last Friday night, the Matador football team played the New Braunfels Unicorns and lost 41-29. With that defeat behind them, we asked the boys how they are preparing for tonight's homecoming game.
This season, you can expect the Matadors to give 100% each and every game. You can expect us to make the playoffs and go far.
Well, it adds a little to it, but that's not it. It's all about the hard work we put into it.
I expect out of the season as our team plays together and that we can make playoffs and do as best we can.
The game does, in some ways, just because you're at home, you're in front of your friends and family, so you feel more comfortable. At the end of the day, we're trying to make the win, trying to get the win.
The goals for this year is just do the best we can, make the playoffs, change Seguin. We haven't done anything in a long time, so it's about time we did something.
My goals this season is to be the best player I can be and help my team out to get a state championship.
Thanks, guys.
Good luck tonight, boys, and go Mats. This has been Fresh Williams. Now back to Catherine.
Fields of Faith News. You're invited to the Fields of Faith gathering on September 19th at 6 p.m. in the Matador Stadium. This year's special guest is hip-hop artist Tadashi. All are welcome to attend. Also, See You at the Pole will be held on September 26th at 7:30 a.m. at the flagpole in front of the school.
Our Speedo team has been working very hard on the homecoming moms and gardeners we all love and adore. We spoke with some of our team members to see exactly what goes down when preparing for the big game.
Use the money we raise for new curriculum for our students, for our special needs students, and for our kids, just back into our classroom, anything we need for our classroom. It's a lot of work, but they have fun.
It's heaven. It's fun hanging out with my friends.
Making different colors and Matador colors, and it's kind of fun being with my friends.
Been really happy. I'm a cheer for them. Good up Ty, good up PJ. I wish you two, you're my best friends. I wish you best football Matadors boys. fight, fight, fight.
Thanks, Beetle, for working as hard as you've been. This has been Brianna Gonzalez. Have a great homecoming, SHS. Now back to Catherine and Keegan.
And that's it for today's Mattcast. This has been Catherine Huerta.
And Keegan Rojas.
Have a great weekend, SHS.
Could you be a teenage idol? Could you be a movie star? When I turn on my TV, will you smile and wave at me, telling Oprah who you are? So you want to be a rock star with blue-eyed bunnies in your bed? Well, remember when you're rich that you sold yourself for this. You'll be famous 'cause you're dead. So don't go high.